Okay, in this tutorial we want to find the area of the region bounded by the curves x equals y squared and x minus 2y equals 3. So the first thing we want to do is actually graph what we have. X equals y squared is simple, it's this, because we know that y equals x squared would produce this shape, so it's just like kind of the opposite. And then we do x equals 3 plus 2y. In doing so, we would have this straight line. This is just a general idea. And by this general idea, we know that x equals y squared would be on the left hand, and while x equals 3 plus 2y would be on the right end. This will be important when we determine the area. So now we want to determine this point and this point. This will allow us to give, the bounds, so when we enclose our shape. So in order to get these 2 points, we say y squared equals 3 plus 2y, since we know x and x. So by doing that, we would get y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Then we factor it out. So we would get y plus 1 times y minus 3, because y times y is y squared, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, negative 3y plus y is negative 2y. So we know the two bounds would be at y equals 3 and negative 1. So we say negative 1 to 3, and since we're doing it in terms of dy, we do right, this, minus left. So, and our right is this, so we say 3 plus 2y minus our left, this, so that's going to be negative y squared. And we can use a calculator to solve, or we can do it by hand, but the most important thing for this question is setting it up. And that's all we need to do to set up this question.